Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth was as big as the Sun? Picture this. Our familiar blue planet, home to all life as we know it, suddenly morphs into a gargantuan celestial body. In the universe we know today, our Sun is about 1 million times larger than Earth. It's a size difference so vast, it's hard to properly grasp. Yet, let's dip our toes into the realm of the fantastical, where the usual rules of reality are suspended. What if our home planet, the Earth, was no longer a tiny speck in comparison to the Sun, but its equal in size? As we embark on this journey, keep in mind the sheer scale of what we're proposing. The size of the Sun is so immense, it could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. But what if we stretch our imaginations and just for a moment, entertain the idea that Earth is as big as the Sun? Now, imagine the gravitational consequences of this mega-Earth. With an increase in size, Earth's gravitational pull would also increase, pulling everything towards its center with a force far greater than we experience today. Imagine mountains, once towering and majestic, flattening under the immense gravitational force. Oceans, too, wouldn't escape the pull. They would deepen, transforming into vast, unexplored abysses. The effects wouldn't be limited to Earth alone. The Moon, our trusted satellite, would feel the increased pull, altering its orbit and possibly causing a series of lunar chaos. And what about our neighboring planets? The altered gravitational field would undoubtedly disrupt the delicate balance of our solar system, leading to a domino effect of astronomical proportions. So gravity would turn our mega-Earth into a smooth, spherical water world. But what about life? Could it withstand the gravitational chaos? Stay tuned to find out. Could life as we know it survive on this mega-Earth? Well, let's dive into the science of it. The first thing to consider is gravity. With a size similar to the Sun, Earth's gravity would be tremendously stronger. This would mean that life as we know it would have to adapt to these extreme conditions. Picture this. Even the tallest giraffes would become as short as penguins, and humans would probably have to crawl rather than walk. But hey, nature is a master of adaptation. Over time, we could expect evolution to kick in, giving rise to entirely new species designed to survive in this high-gravity environment. Maybe we'd see creatures with super strong legs to withstand the crushing force, or perhaps life would take to the skies, evolving into bird-like beings to escape the pull of gravity. Life on Mega-Earth would certainly be different, but it's fascinating to imagine the possibilities. But what if our Mega-Earth began to behave like a star? Now that's a question that really lights up the imagination, doesn't it? Now stars are born from colossal quantities of dust and gas, gathering in space under the force of gravity. Over time, these particles condense into a dense, hot core that triggers nuclear fusion. This is where a star, like our own Sun, gets its glow. If Earth suddenly ballooned to the size of the Sun, the intense pressure and heat at its core could theoretically spark a similar process. The very ground beneath our feet might ignite, transforming our blue and green planet into a bright, burning star. But what would this mean for our solar system? Well, having two suns would certainly shake things up. The gravitational balance that keeps our planets in their orbits would be thrown into chaos. Our neighboring planets might be sent spiraling into new orbits, or even be flung out of the solar system entirely. And life on Earth? Well, let's just say it would be quite a heated situation. The surface of the Earth star would be far too hot to support life as we know it. Our oceans would boil away, and the land would be scorched to a crisp. Even if some form of life managed to survive deep underground, it would be a far cry from the vibrant world we know today. So, while the idea of a mega-Earth is fun to imagine, it's probably best for us all that Earth remains the size it is. After all, we've got a pretty good thing going here on our perfectly sized planet, don't we? It's just the right distance from the Sun to have liquid water, a comfortable climate, and a magnetic field to protect us from harmful solar radiation. In the end, size really does matter, at least when it comes to planets and stars. And there's no place like our home, Earth, just as it is. Did this journey ignite your imagination? If you're as curious about our universe as we are, then don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow stargazers. And if you want to keep exploring these cosmic what-ifs, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to unravel the mysteries of our amazing universe one video at a time. So, as we bid farewell to our hypothetical mega-Earth, we invite you to stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, there's no place like home. We can't wait to see you in the next video.